I'm not going to tell him.
I'm trying to get it back. I really am.
No, I'm not going to tell you that I was sitting here filming you. I wasn't. No, had the yellow, I mean the green. That gummit. I guess I'm fired now.
You're fired. I'm not sure if I can get over here.
Oh, really?
When I try to make this turn, as you get lower, you'll catch a gust of wind.
Right.
Like that. This is blowing me over. But maybe, yeah.
Oh, mercy.
Oh, good landing.
That was a 2-point landing.
That's 3 point.
Oh yeah, 2 wheels and a nose, that counts. Whoop, whoop, oh!
Oh, leave that wheel.
You bend it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, first of all, grass landings. Second of all, if you got a plane you like,
Don't fly it.
today.
Well, I'm going home then. I like them all.
It's just crazy wind up there. I'm going to try it again though. Anyway.
That was a nice takeoff.
Yeah, it was. Oh, abort.
There you go. That was a good abort.
Well, I saw that brush. I thought, well, I'll just run right into the brush. Let's see if I can actually bring it back. I can take off.
Oh, picking his ass up. You got it though. Is it still good?
Well, it looks good from here.
Good.
It's just when you look at it from other directions, it looks bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Hey, put the cup on and see what it does. Well, parachute guy would wind up in Bedford from here anyway.
That's for sure. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
There we go.
You got to give it a little gas.
Yeah, you're right.
Or else it's at the wind's mercy. What's wrong with that?
Well, that's what I thought.
Glider there's a lot of wing. Probably fly a little bit better, you know, longer as far as like up in the air.
Yeah.
Just afloat.
Well, there's a kind of land.
You can helicopter land it. Look at that.
Oh.
That was cool.
Landing of the week.
Landing of the week. Yep.
Think I can bring it to me?
Gas it and take off, Sir Little Sid. See if it'll do it.
Yeah, I know what you want. Okay, keep the camera rolling.
I got it.
Camera rolling.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what you wanted.
No, that's not what I wanted. You usually do it. Well, how's the propeller?
Actually, it doesn't matter. It's going to fly. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Well, it's dirty sanding it.
You realize I haven't been a shaft in like almost
Hey, watch it.
I know.
Because you know what happens every time you say something like that. That's the next thing fixed to happen.
I'm going to try.
Oh, there's your battery. Somebody.
Here we go.
Oh, there comes some gusts. Oh man, look at that.
Whoa!
There you go.
Oh. Now if I can get it to turn around.
Oh, no.
I'll go pick it up now.